こんにちは。Welcome to this channel. ようこそ。In this video, you first watch a listening practice video and then I'll explain it. You learn the Japanese particles no and to. The listening practice includes more vocabulary than before, but don't worry. After watching the explanation, you should be able to understand it. Before we start the listening practice, please give this video a like and hype it. それでは、ゆっくりリスニングスタート。あ、おこげさん。友達とカラオケに行きます。どこのですか？ご飯粒駅のカラオケです。来ますか？のりさんと遊ぶ約束があります。のりさんと来ますか？誰が来ますか？いつものメンバーです。にぎりさんとおかゆさんです。ああ、大丈夫だと思います。行きたいと言っています。人が増えるともっと楽しいです。ここですか？思っていたのと違います。昔と違います。あ、それはご飯駅のです。ここはご飯粒駅です。歌うのが楽しみです。あ、おこげさん。友達とカラオケに行きます。友達とカラオケに行きます。The literal translation is blah blah go to karaoke with friend. 友達 is friend. カラオケ is karaoke. 行く is go. These are the 5 main uses of と you need to know. With, and, quote, when, if, compared with, same as, different from. It's a little crazy, right? Don't worry about these categories. You'll learn them naturally over time. In this sentence, to is used as the person or thing you do something with. We use it with someone you do something with or someone you have a relationship with. For example, 母と料理をします。blah blah cook with mother. 母 is mother. 料理をする is cook. 彼女と結婚します。blah blah marry her. 彼女 is her. 結婚する is marry. English does not use with here, but this と shows the person you have a relationship with. どこのですか？ご飯粒駅のカラオケです。ご飯粒駅のカラオケです。It is karaoke of ご飯粒 station. Roughly speaking, no has 2 main uses. Be is related to A, be of A. Nominalizer turns verb, adjective, sentence into a noun. The no in ご飯粒駅のカラオケです is the usage of be is related to A. By the way, the first line どこのですか is short for どこのカラオケですか Literally, it means カラオケ of where. The word カラオケ is already understood, so it is omitted. For example, 誰の鉛筆ですか? The literal translation is pencil of who. 誰 is who 鉛筆 is pencil. 田中さんの鉛筆です。It's a pencil of Ms. Tanaka. You can also say 田中さんのです。It's blah blah of Ms. Tanaka. 鉛筆 is omitted. 来ますか？来ます。Come. I won't explain it in detail in this video, but you will see it a lot. So let me explain just one thing. Adding か at the end makes a question sentence. のりさんと遊ぶ約束があります。のりさんと来ますか？のりさんと遊ぶ約束があります。There is a plan to hang out with Mr. Nori. 遊ぶ約束 is a plan to hang out. 遊ぶ is play. 約束 is promise. のりさんと来ますか？ Do blah blah come with Mr. Nori? 来る is come. Both と used here is the same as the one we learned before. It means the person or thing you do something with. You might have noticed, but this is the most common use of と。誰が来ますか？いつものメンバーです。いつものメンバーです。The member of the usual. いつも is usual. メンバー is member. The no in this sentence is the usage of B is related to A. にぎりさんとおかゆさんです。にぎりさんとおかゆさんです。Miss Nigiri and Mr. Okayu. Here, と is used to list things. For example, 人参とりんごとかぼちゃとトマトときゅうりとナス。ああ。大丈夫だと思います。大丈夫だと思います。I think it's okay. 大丈夫 is okay. 思う is think. 大丈夫だ is what the speaker is thinking. So the と used here is a quotation use of と。For example, 日本語は難しいと思います。Blah blah thinks Japanese is difficult. 日本語 is Japanese. 難しい is difficult. 思う is think. 行きたいと言っています。行きたいと言っています。Blah blah is saying that blah blah want to go. 行きたい is want to go. 行く is go. 言っています is saying. 言う is say. Just like before, 行きたい is a quoted content of what someone said. So again, the と used here is a quotation use of と。人が増えるともっと楽しいです。人が増えるともっと楽しいです。When people increase, it's more fun. 人 is people. 増える is increase. もっと is more. 楽しい is fun. The と in this sentence is used for condition result. It means when one thing happens, another thing happens or you notice something. For example, このボタンを押すと電気がつきます。このボタン is this button. When blah blah press the button, light turns on. ボタン is button. 押す is press. 電気 is light. つく is turn on. 箱を開けると虫がいました。When blah blah opened box, there was a bug. 箱 is box. 開ける is open. 虫 is bug. いました is there was. いる is there is. ここですか？思っていたのと違います。思っていたのと違います。It's different from what Brava was thinking. 思っていた is was thinking. 思う is think. 違う is different. This sentence uses both no and と. Let's start with no first. The no in this sentence is used as a nominalizer. This use of no is very useful, so try your best to learn it. By adding no, you can turn the action, adjective, or sentence before it into a noun. In most cases, no can be replaced with こと action, fact, event, 物 object, or 人 person. However, there are some cases where it cannot be replaced. これを食べるのが好きです。Blah blah like eating this. これ is this. 食べる is eat. 好き is like. You can also say これを食べること。かわいいのが欲しいです。Blah blah want cute one. かわいい is cute. 欲しい is want. You can also say かわいいもの。Some textbooks clarify this no as replacing a noun. For example, かわいいの could mean かわいい服 or かわいい色 depending on the context. However, to keep things simple, I'll group it together with nominalization in this video. 猫がいるのを見ました。Blah blah so that there is a cat. 猫 is cat. いる is there is. 見ました is saw. 見る is see. This is a case where no cannot be replaced with 物、こと or 人。Now let's go back to 思っていたのと違います and talk about the と used here. This と marks the basic of comparison. 思っていたのと違います is a shortened version of 思っていたのと実際のものは違います。What Brother was thinking and actual thing is different. 実際のもの is actual thing. In Japanese, the things being compared is often omitted. 昔と違います。Just like the previous example, 昔と違います means 昔と今は違います。The past and now is different. 昔 is the past. 今 is now. 違う is different. それはご飯液のです。それはご飯液のです is a shortened version of それはご飯液のカラオケです。カラオケ omitted because it is already understood. This is the usage of B is related to A. ここはご飯粒液です。歌うのが楽しみです。歌うのが楽しみです。Barbara is looking forward to singing. 歌う is sing. 楽しみ is be looking forward to. The no is a nominalizer. It turns to sing into singing. I'm planning to post free example sentences from this video on Patreon, so please make sure to subscribe and keep an eye out for my post. 多分やります。I'm not making any promises. Give me a reason to make more videos. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.